Hello guys, here is the update about the BlockMesh Airdrop. Some people are saying this Zeno claim. This is just an additional airdrop, like a bonus airdrop to the BlockMesh Airdrop. This is not the BlockMesh token itself that we are farming. And in case you are new to this BlockMesh, this is a Depin Airdrop that you have to download the extension on your extension browser, like Mrs. browser or Kiwi browser or your PC. So if you have not signed up on this BlockMesh and every other Depin airdrop that I have introduced so far, you can check the registration link in the description box of this video. Like currently, I am farming like 8 Depin apart from Nodepay and Grass Season 2. And for Nodepay airdrop, they will be listing this month. January 6th. So if you qualify for the the first season of Nodepay airdrop, the season 1, if you got an allocation for season 1, I think you'll be able to sell on the 6th of January. That's when Nodepay is listing on Biget. Biget Exchange announced Nodepay listing already for 6th of January 2025. So check your season 1 allocation for Nodepay. If you qualify, then await the trading by 6th of January 2025. So for this BlockMesh, this Zeno is not everyone that qualifies for this particular token. And this is a this is just a bonus. The fact that you don't qualify doesn't mean you will not get the BlockMesh token itself. This XENO is just a bonus airdrop. They just partnered with Zeno platform. So in view of that, they are giving the community part of their token. The BlockMesh community part of the Zeno token. So if you don't qualify, there is no cause for alarm. You can still qualify later because they said this is not the final circle. And even if you don't qualify, it does not mean you will not get the BlockMesh airdrop. So the BlockMesh airdrop will come later on its own. Take notes. I'm making emphasis on this because of some questions that may arise about I'm not qualified. The fact that you're not qualified for Zeno does not mean you're not qualified for BlockMesh. This is a bonus airdrop. Just a bonus. Nothing special as such. So to claim this Zeno, even myself, I've not checked if I qualify or not. You see where my icon is, you double tap on this. When you come to claim on the BlockMesh, you double tap on this icon. You see, I tap it twice. Then you'll be able to to do the captcha verification and see what we have. So you see Zeno claim BlockMesh. So you allow it to load and get the captcha. You have to place your icon. I think that's the sensitive part of this claiming. You place your mouse on where it is showing you to claim, then you double tap on it to see this page. I just showed that, so I'll just let the captcha load and let's see what we have. So I'll be using the same wallet I added on the BlockMesh platform. I'll be submitting the same Phantom wallet. If you have not added your wallet on the BlockMesh platform, then you should proceed to do that. So let's see. The loading is taking longer. So here is the page. You see connect wallet. Then I'll select Phantom. So I will log in my wallet to connect. Then we have connect. Okay, you see, sorry, not eligible for XENO. So this is just mean that I'm not eligible for the XENO airdrop. As I said earlier, this is not the BlockMesh airdrop. It's just an additional bonus for the community. So if you are not eligible, there is no cause for alarm. Keep farming, keep claiming. I don't know the eligibility criteria actually, but I saw people getting 25 pieces, 10 pieces thereabouts. But nevertheless, we move. Let's see the next cycle. I think it's cycle by cycle. So on the next cycle, probably we get eligible for this XENO airdrop from BlockMesh. So as I said earlier, check the registration link to sign up on every other Depin airdrop that I've mentioned in the description box of this video. I'll drop the link to the other Depin airdrop in the description box of this video, so you can sign up on any of them to start farming. And if you are yet to start farming Nodepay too, the season 2 is currently ongoing. So make sure you are farming so that you can be eligible for the season 2 if you are not eligible for the season 1. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to my YouTube channel. Also turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on my back-to-back updates. See you guys on the next one, and bye for now.